Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Party Voice Chat. First, you need to verify your age to access this feature. Head over to your Roblox privacy settings, which you can find in the main menu. Once there, locate the Enable Voice Chat toggle and switch it on. This crucial first step ensures you're ready to communicate with your friends. Remember, age verification is a one-time process, usually requiring a valid ID. Once voice chat is enabled, you can easily join or create a party with your friends. Simply invite them or accept an invitation. Within the party interface, you'll see a small microphone icon next to each player's name, indicating their voice chat status. Make sure everyone in your group has their voice chat active to ensure seamless communication. This allows for real-time conversations as you play together. Managing your voice chat experience is straightforward. You can adjust the volume for individual party members directly from the in-game interface, giving you precise control. To mute or unmute yourself, simply tap the microphone button. If you encounter any inappropriate behavior, please use the robust in-game reporting system. Your safety and comfort are paramount, and reporting helps maintain a positive environment for everyone. If you're experiencing issues, first check your device's microphone permissions for Roblox in your system settings. A stable internet connection is also vital for clear, uninterrupted audio. Consider using a headset. It significantly improves sound quality and minimizes background noise, making your conversations much clearer. These simple steps can resolve most common problems and enhance your overall party voice chat experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.